You know that feeling? That sinking feeling. You just dropped hundreds, maybe even $1,000 on a shiny new laptop. It looked amazing in the store. The brand was perfect. You get it home, you open it up, and within a week, it's already lagging. You can't even have a video call and a spreadsheet open at the same time without the fan sounding like a jet engine. How does this happen? You fell for a trap. But here's the truth. You can skip all that pain. Today, we're breaking down the top mistakes people make when buying a computer and how you can buy smart the very first time. Let's start with the trap I fell into freshman year of college. I walked into the store, saw the word Dell, and thought, boom, brand name, I'm safe. Wrong. That thing had 4 gigs of RAM and a processor older than TikTok. It froze every time I opened Chrome with 2 tabs. Lesson 1. Brand is just a sticker. The real magic lives in 3 numbers: CPU, RAM, and storage. Think of it like dating. If the personality, processor is sluggish, the looks, pretty logo, won't save you. Speaking of sluggish, ever tried to edit a video on a computer with a spinning hard drive? It's like watching paint dry in slow motion. I once waited 7 minutes for a Word doc to open. 7. So here's your cheat code. 8 gigabytes RAM minimum, SSD storage, and a processor that isn't collecting Social Security. Skip that, and you're basically buying a $600 paperweight. But wait, don't swing the other way and drop $2,000 on a gaming beast just to check email. I know a guy who did that. He brags about his 32 gigs of RAM while using it to stream Netflix in 720p. Ask yourself, do I actually need this? If the answer's no, pocket the cash and upgrade the stuff that matters. Oh, and those flashy extras? Touch screens that smudge in 5 seconds, 4K screens that drain battery like a vampire. Cute, but useless if you're just writing papers. Before you click buy, do a 5-minute ninja search. Slap the model name plus review into YouTube. You'll spot red flags faster than a toddler spots candy. And please, check the return policy. Nothing worse than being stuck with a dud because all sales final. Pro tip, peek under the hood for upgrade hatches. Some laptops are glued shut forever. Others let you pop in more RAM like Lego bricks. If you're tired of that feeling of being ripped off or feeling confused every time you walk into an electronics store, the full book has those deeper lessons. It's about finally learning how to buy the brain, not just the brand. Link is in the description. Go read it before your next great deal turns into your next big regret. Also, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.